Welcome to my first ever supper club. This was a sit-down surprise menu to which I themed it as Arabian Nights. I started off by making my roast eggplant, fresh mozzarella and herb relish side dish. This recipe can be found on my website. And to accompany that, I made a beautiful platter of labne, added dried mint, paprika and fried sujuk on top. And it wouldn't be a supper club if I didn't make a focaccia. I had to think long and hard about the topping, but to be honest with you, za'atar was the best bet here. And I have a little bit of a cheat drink, which I'm going to share with you. So into a jar, I added some fresh lemon slices, mint leaves, and ribbons of fresh cucumber, and poured a bottle of squash in there, and it was absolutely amazing. For mains, I had to make a fattoush salad to go along with my garlic, lemon, and herb smashed spuds. That recipe can be found in my delicious AF cookbook, and I also served that up with skin and bone on chicken shawarma that was cooked on a bed of tomatoes, onion and dried currants, but I actually added figs because I ran out of currants. But that was inspo from my apricot chicken recipe, which is in one of my cookbooks as well. And the night wouldn't be complete without dessert, and I decided to make chocolate, hazelnut and almond baklava swirls to go with tea and coffee. And that, my friends, was my first supper club.